don't skeletons fight each other? They don't have the guts. But honestly, who needs a fight when they've got each other's back? Literally. Plus, they're too busy chilling in the fridge with all those ribs. Guess they're just too bone-tired. Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. He didn't just stand there, he nailed it. The other Scarecrows were, well, just a bit stiff. But this guy? A total crop star. He was the talk of the cornfield.
This is how to make these trending AI stick animation videos using this free website without spending a dime. Today I'm going to show you how you can create these popular animation videos that can get millions of views on social media in no time. These videos can generate substantial income for creators through YouTube AdSense, TikTok creativity program, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, and other paid sponsorship programs. Stick animations in particular are incredible, engaging, and entertaining videos. Despite their popularity, there aren't so many creators in this niche, so the competition is minimal. The secret to this high view count is that viewers often watch these videos to the end without skipping and often watch them multiple times. This behavior boosts the video's visibility, leading to more views and higher earnings for creators. There are different types of these animations, but only one is completely free and easy to make, which I am going to show you in this video today. We are going to create this free version of the stick animations. It is simple, it doesn't cost anything, and you can make as many videos as you want in a day. However, it is crucial you follow each of the steps I'm going to talk about in this video to ensure your videos make sense. So without wasting your time, let's get started. The first step is to visit Adobe Express Animator. You can find a link in the description section of this video. Make sure you see this logo to ensure it is the free version you are using. Once on the site, click on the plus icon. Then go to the quick action tab, scroll down to find the animate from audio option and click on it. This is where we do most of the work. You can make various characters talk and there are plenty to choose from. Click on category to see options like emojis, animals, humans, sticky figures, and many more characters. Today we are going to focus on the stick figure. So choose it and then go to the background tab to select your background. Here you can pick a background for your character, either a color or a place like a classroom, desert, city, or even space, or any of this background. For the sake of this video, let's select the classroom. Next is to choose a size and choose the layout you want. You can choose portrait if you are creating a video for TikTok, Facebook, Reels, or Instagram Reels. But because you are creating this video for YouTube, we'll select YouTube. After selecting the background and the size, you can resize your character using the dots at the corners to resize your character. And move the character to fit into the background.
Hey, have you subscribed to this channel yet? Click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell to get all notification from this channel. If you want the prompt I used in this video, go to the comment section and type, My Legacy Studios, share the prompt with me.
Now we need an audio for our character, but we first have to generate a script or a text that we can convert into an audio. To generate our script, we will use ChatGPT. Click on ChatGPT or openai.com, enter your prompt here, and click on the submit button for ChatGPT to create your script for you. Now copy the script ChatGPT has written for you one by one and paste it in any speech generator to generate your audio for your animation. So it's time for us to create our audio. For our audio, we will use Ellevenlabs. We will use Ellevenlabs for free. The link is in the description section of this video. Click on the Get Started button, sign up if you do not have an account, and sign in if you already have an account. Click on the voice library here. Click on the library button, search for funny videos here. Listen to the voices and select the one that suits your project.
Why are you looking at me like that? I'm the Cartiggity dog. This looks like fun. Don't miss even one adventure.
Now copy your text one by one from ChatGPT and paste it to the prompt box here. Click on the generate button to generate your audio.
Talk of the cornfield.
Then click on the download button to download it to your drive. Now repeat the same process for the rest of your text to generate your audio.
Why don't skeletons fight each other? They don't have the guts. And if they did, they'd still be spineless. Can you imagine them trying to throw a punch? They'd probably just rattle. The only thing they'd win is a bonus round.
It's time for us to add our voiceover that we have generated using the Ellevenlabs. and finalize our animation. Go back to Adobe Express, click on the Browse button here and import your first audio you have generated with Ellevenlabs. After importing your audio, Adobe will automatically synchronize the animation for you. So wait for some few seconds for your animation to be processed. In just a few minutes or two, you have your animation ready. You will have an amazing video to post on either YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Facebook Reels for free. Posting 2 to 3 videos a day will likely yield positive results. So now click on the download button here to download this animation to your drive. You can also check out all the resources I've mentioned in this video in the description section of this video. Don't forget to like this video to show your support and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials on how to grow your content. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section. And if you haven't watched our previous video on how to create 3D Bible animated stories using some free AI tools that will pop up after watching this video, click on it and go and watch. See you in the next video. Bye.
How does a penguin build its house? Igloos it together. No kidding, it's an ice job. It's not flippertastic, but it works. Even when it chills out, it stays cool. And when winter comes, it's always intense. Why did the math book look sad? Because it had too many problems. I mean, it was in constant division. Every page was full of issues. Algebra, calculus, talk about drama. It just couldn't find the right angle on life. Why did the scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. He didn't just stand there, he nailed it. The other scarecrows were, well, just a bit stiff. But this guy? A total crop star. He was the talk of the cornfield. Why don't skeletons fight each other? They don't have the guts. But honestly, who needs a fight when they've got each other's back? Literally. Plus, they're too busy chilling in the fridge with all those ribs. Guess they're just too bone-tired.